When you study Sparta, you don't get an unmediated view. Very few Spartans ever wrote about their own society, and so what we are confronted with is this bifurcated tradition, wildly pro, wildly anti, by and large very little in between. The riddle of Sparta, the enigma of Sparta, the mystery of Sparta, is significantly due to the nature of the evidence, which presents us with a combination of that which is there but is distorted, that which is not there at all but which is made up. The Spartans have legated, have given to us, bequeathed to us, not one, not two, but three English words. One is Spartan, and an adjective meaning austere, self-denying, military, tough. Secondly, laconic, and we mean by that the sort of clipped, military-style speech, minimalist, that the Spartans were famous for. The Greek down here says molon labe, and it's what allegedly Leonidas replied to Xerxes, Emperor Xerxes, who demanded that he lay down his arms and surrender at Thermopylae. He replied with characteristic Spartan terseness, two words, molon labe, come and get them yourself.